Welcome back to Suzieandersonhome. Today we're sharing 7 ways you can add charm, glamour and luxurious accents to your home. When you think of luxury, what comes to mind? For some, luxury is an art form that embraces elegance, quality and individuality. For others, it means comfort, wealth, attention to detail and rarity. You may associate it with an ultra-modern aesthetic or a feeling evoked by an indulgent bath, self-care routine or a candlelit dinner. Today we'll show you how small decorative changes combined with intentional styling and your own creativity can bring a luxurious feel to your everyday life. Before we begin, don't forget to get your free copy of our ebook, The 5 L's of Styling, via the link in the video description box below. Elevate your light scheme. First is the importance of layered lighting. Warmer lights create a cozy, intimate atmosphere, so start by switching your existing light bulbs to warm white bulbs or smart lights and installing dimmer switches where possible. Next, go through each room in your home and assess your light fixtures. Are they purely functional, or do they also enhance the decor and set the desired mood and ambience? Lighting is the jewellery of the room, so look for statement light fixtures like metallic or glass-framed pendants, French chandeliers or candelabras, and collections of tea light votives to elevate smaller vignettes. For example, do you have a mix of ambient, accent, task and mood lighting? Consider adding special touches like LED strip lights in your wardrobe, bathroom or kitchen, sensor night lights, or even battery-operated lights and candles to illuminate darker corners. Enhance the tactile appeal of your home. Next, sumptuous quality fabrics are a must for adding a luxe feel to your home. Silk, fur, cashmere, velvet, crisp hotel-like cottons, and quality flax linen all add a touch of sophistication. For example, silk drapes beautifully, leather develops a lovely patina over time, mohair offers an ultra-soft feel, velvet is lustrous, wool or boucle is warm, and linen is breathable and stylish. Consider the tactile appeal of your flooring. With wall-to-wall carpet or large area rugs in bedrooms and plush wool pile, vintage or jute rugs in living areas, runners in hallways, and smaller rugs such as the Nook range by Armadillo & Co. for zoning different areas. Lastly, when it comes to window treatments, the placement is just as important as the material or type. To make your room feel more luxurious and spacious, hang drapes at least 12 inches or 30 centimetres above the window, or all the way to the ceiling if possible. Introduce Lustre. One of our favourite ways to add a luxurious feel is with Lustre, one of our 5 L's of styling. Some ideas include incorporating metallic accents in gold, brass or nickel, displaying decor made from crystal, glass, metal, gilded wood or glossy and glazed ceramics, and large-scale decorative mirrors. Create dedicated focal points. Another way to introduce a streamlined feel is to anchor your rooms with striking focal points. Examples include artwork, mirrors with eye-catching frames, sculptural decor, and stunning floral arrangements in beautiful vessels. I personally find that wall art makes the biggest impact. I recommend looking for large-scale paintings, woven tapestries, wallpaper murals or gallery walls. Invest in quality statement pieces. To achieve a tailored and streamlined feel, quality over quantity is important. Invest in statement furniture pieces crafted from high quality or durable materials like marble, travertine, rattan, leather or velvet upholstery, and dark or exotic woods. These materials not only look great, but also last longer, making them a worthwhile investment. Other luxurious pieces to consider include mirrored or glass tables, carved wood furniture, and custom-made pieces including sofas or armchairs. However, luxury doesn't always mean new or contemporary. Antique or vintage pieces are prized for their beauty, character and longevity, and can be restored and paired with modern pieces. Balancing these old and new elements will make your space feel welcoming and well curated. Little luxuries, hotel at home. Try incorporating small touches that give a hotel-like feel. A clutter-free home has been shown to reduce stress, promote calm, create order, and evoke a high-end appeal. Start by looking for stylish ways to disguise everyday functional items with tissue and decorative boxes, toilet roll holders, refillable soap and toiletry dispensers, waste bins, and more made from rattan, glass, metal, ceramic or marble. Other ideas include creating a sleep sanctuary with soft and breathable bedding, blackout blinds or curtains, an air purifier, and items like bedside carafes and smaller decorative vignettes. Elevating your everyday self-care with high-quality towels, beautiful fragrances, or luxurious bath products. If you're interested in more tips for creating the hotel at home experience, we have provided a link to the full video in the description box. Pared back arrangements. Next, create streamlined decorative displays by grouping items in trays within bookshelves, display cabinets, or on coffee tables. Keep in mind design principles like the rule of 3 and the layering of different shapes, sizes, scale and finishes, as well as incorporating something loved, something living and something with lustre. Lastly, introduce a few structured floral arrangements, a potted orchid or a large-scale statement plant to fill empty corners and soften the space. Opt for planters or pots that complement your decor style whilst adding a streamlined appeal. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for fortnightly styling tips designed to take you from inspiration to implementation. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.